Hi guys, sppd here, and today for you I'm going to try and pick this ABUS 9050 Titalium. There's the keyway on there, pretty standard. It's very keyable, it is key retaining, which I'll show you. Here is the key for this particular lock. So it goes in, it's not a spring loaded shackle, so just draw it out. It is key retaining, as I said. Put that back in there, turn it. Locked up. So, lovely locks. They are an 8 security level. Made in Germany, blah blah blah. Solid lock body from Titalium, aluminium alloy, high security, less weight, stainless steel shackle, solid protection, blah, 6-pin cylinder, completely made from rust-proof materials. So, I like these. Nice and light, nice and strong, and the spools in them are really good fun. So let's get this thing picked. So click on one, feel through. Try and find one that's slightly higher than the rest. I think I got that one set. These, like I say, these spools are fun. They are quite long and sharp, so you get some lovely counter rotation, and yeah, they're good fun. I will show you in a minute what they look like. I have another one of these. Let's see. Oh, I think I missed that one. There you go. Pick tape them. So there you go. That's that picked. I do have another one, which is a very special one of mine, and here it is. And hopefully you can see the spools on there are really nice and long, and oh, wrong key, idiot. Ah. Let's plug in there. This. I think I've shown this in another video before, this lock. It's a lovely, well made lock. Lovely cutaway. And there you go. So let's try and focus a bit better on these spools so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. Some really lovely spools in there. Some lovely internals, double ball bearing mechanism. Yeah, removable core and everything else. So, thanks for watching guys, and pick beard out.